Sin has come into your bedrooms. Sin has become pervasive and invasive and engulfing and all overtaking. And this time, watch two things. Watch falling for the sin, especially in seclusion. Listen to this hadith. And وَرَبُّ الْكَعْبَةِ, it should make the hairs on the back of your neck stand. I know groups of my ummah, they will come in the day of judgment with good deeds like mountains glowing bright. Not little too good, a mountain of good deeds. And Allah Rabbul Izzah will make it perish in the wind. It will disappear. So the Rasul says, these are not ordinary, they're your brothers, Muslims, and not ordinary Muslims. These are Muslims, the type that wake up in the middle of the night and pray. They're good Muslims. But what's their sin? There are people that when they're alone, they overstep the boundaries of Allah. So in seclusion, when you're there on your phone, remember, Allah will delete all your good deeds if you're not careful. For those of you that have the capacity and ability to hold back from the haram, listen to the glad tidings. And I will end with this hadith. The Prophet ﷺ says, O Sahaba, after you will come the days of patience, the days of difficulty, the days where it is hard to be a Muslim and righteous. If they hold on to the deen as you are holding, O Sahaba, they will get the reward of 50. So they said, reward of 50 of us or 50 of them? So the Rasul said, no, 50 of you, my Sahaba. And whoever leaves a haram for the sake of Allah and returns it for a halal, Allah Rabbul Izzah replaces it with unimaginable things. The Ashab gave up their homes for Islam. Allah gave them the dominion of the earth instead. Sulaiman alayhi salam gave up his horses for the sake of Allah. Allah gave him the wind to command. Yusuf alayhi salam gave up a haram woman. Allah gave him the dominion of Egypt instead. Leave the haram that you're in وَرَبُّ الْكَعْبَةِ, Allah will replace it with what you didn't anticipate. May Allah guide and guide you.